Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. Well, today we are going to do the unboxing for the AOC Agon AG322QCX. Wow, what a mouthful. Anyway, let's get started now. Don't you like it? Born to battle. That's nice. So, as I was saying, it's from AOC. This monitor was first launched, I believe, in 2017. It's not brand new, but anyway. Look at the pesky sellotape. Anyway, let's open it now. Okay, like so. And oh gosh, take the blade again and make sure to cut that. Is it enough now? Yeah. Okay, yeah, great. So let's open this like so. Okay, so some spec right now while I try to open and see what's inside the box. Although it's called the AG322, it's actually a 31.5 inch diagonally. Alright, so now that the box is open, let's see what we have inside. Alright, so at first what I can see, it's the CD, here you can see, and the manual, the user manual. Right, although you are better off, I believe, going online or load the PDF from the CD, but who does have a CD anyway? Cool and neat features would be the remote control. Yes, the screen comes with a remote control even at that price. Alright, you can of course use a joystick which is under the screen, but first let's do a peel and see how good I am at it. Not very good, but it still looks sexy anyway. Okay, oh yeah, that's not very my forte. With this remote, basically it's the same function as the jog dial which is under the screen. Alright, this the plug here, you plug it in inside the screen. Later on I will show you where to. Okay, let me get the screen out first. Okay, so with this out of the way, now we go to the next one, which is the power brick. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty beefy, but the wire is long enough for you to leave the power brick on the floor and use the... You can see that it's not a straight connector out, but I like it. This is a neat feature. I had the same but this one, it's stuck with the wire. Anyway, it's a neat feature to manage your cable, alright, which is, as I was saying, pretty long. Once I untangle it, you will be able to see. Okay, so this side here will go and plug inside the monitor. Okay, next we have the cables. Yes, they are provided with this. So this is the HDMI, which is 2.0. Alright, actually, and this one here is the display port. Alright, and this one I do believe that it's 1.2A if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so here you can see, later on I will show you a little bit in details how it looks like, but you can see that there is a difference in between the HDMI and the display port. Okay, you can see it's not the same connection, and latching is different as well. Okay, so next we have the power cord which attached to the power brick. So since here we are using a UK plug, as you can see, might differ depending on your country. Right, next it's the stand. Alright, so the stand here is well packed. It might take a little while for me to undo it, so while we do this, okay, I will go through some specs, and I hope you don't mind. Alright, so let's start with the panel itself, which is made by Samsung, and they also have a custom backlight. Okay, it's not the typical one. PM315B5 DP01 actually. Wow, and it has the SVA or the super vertical alignment. Okay, the native resolution for this panel is at 2560 by 1440. Okay, the maximum brightness is at 300 CD by meter square. Okay, it can support up to 16.7 million at 8 bit per pixel. The response time, which is supposed to be a gaming monitor, is 4 milliseconds. Okay, and is 144 Hz maximum. It comes with adaptive sync or FreeSync, but it also supports the G-Syncs as well. So you look at the stand, it's heavy duty from cast metal and powder coated. It comes in 2 parts, but it's very easy to assemble. All this with a height adjustment of 11 centimeters, tilt angle about 5 to 29 degrees up and down, and then you have the swiveling about 30 degrees each side, left and right. Okay, if we see here, you have a toolless screw here, but you can also use a screwdriver if you want to. You have a rubber fit, okay, which is incorporated inside the stand, which is a good thing. It's pretty heavy. So now I remove the foam, and under the foam, what can we see? I should have moved the camera for you to see, guys, but let me tilt this over, and we will see that basically we have the other part of the stand and the screen, and that will be about it for the packaging. Okay, here you can see that I'm speeding it up because I think it takes me about 5 minutes to remove the packaging. I didn't want it to use the blade, but now stop because it was the only times I used a blade. Continuing with the features, extensive. Anyway, if you watch the whole video, I will post all the specs and features down in the comment for you. So basically what you have a frameless design, you have NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync, flicker free technology, low blue loud technology, the OSD or the on-screen display, you have a LED indicator, and many more. Okay, now I can see I managed. Yes, there it is. Okay, so this is the screw that you will use and you need. That's a good thing they put them there, that you need to attach this bezel to the screen. Okay, you can also have the VESA mount if you don't want to have the stand. This is the part who rotates. You have the handle. All right, so now let's try to take out the screen without breaking it. Please don't hold your breath. I'm sure I will be fine. Okay. Now I'm holding it. I will show you later. There is a kind of a recess for the vent for the screen. Okay, that's how I hold it. We can see the joystick, the LED, which are not RGB, although they are, but it's only red or green or blue. You can also adjust them in brightness if you want to. So let's flip this over, and we will see what's at the back. Like we can see a little bit of port I will go through. You can see the white parts here are the LED as well, and what you see on the top left corner is actually the flip out hook for the earphone, which is quite good. Neat features. Let's sit this down and do the ports. So starting from the left, we have the HDMI, 2 of them. Then after that we have the display port, also 2, the VGA port. After that you have the remote control, like so. So this you plug it there. This USB plug to the computer. Those 2 here are one for charging, which is a yellow one here, and the other one is a normal one. This is for the headphone and the microphone. This is a joystick. Okay, that you move and set up. Those are the LED strips. Okay, And now I'll show you the box. This is how you are supposed to take the things out, and this is how you are supposed to assemble. Here I have a nice 3-year on-site warranty that I registered already for my AOC gaming AOC monitor. Thank you guys for watching. Now I show you AOC commercial that I find quite neat, and it will recap everything, most of the feature that this monitor have. Show you the curvature, they show you that you can put more than one, of course if you have the money you can do that, and the FreeSync and so on and so forth. I take the opportunity to say thank you for watching, staying until now. This video is touching to his hand, and as usual, you know what to do. If you like the video, you can press the button. If you don't like, you can also press the button as well. But I would like you to let me know in the comments why you do not like it, alright? Like this I can improve and make a better video for everyone. Thank you again. I hope you are having a great year and everything is fine. Bye guys now.